Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to Driven Wyld. Today we are talking about bro lit up the whole block. Customer asks Doordash driver to be discreet. His car is decked out in lights. Imagine driving a car that is literally lit up in every single neon light possible. LEDs galore, shines brighter than the sun itself, and by the time it gets there, you'd think that it's already daytime in the dead middle of the night. This is hilarious already. So with that said, I want to go over everything that's being said in this article, how it actually is for Doordash UberEats and Grubhub drivers and customers and everything in between. So with that said, let's get started. A customer recently shared his experience with an unusual Doordash driver who arrived in a car decked out in colorful neon lights. Unknown to the customer at the time, the driver is something of a local legend. Oh my god, that means the freaking Doordash driver is known throughout his community. That's hilarious. Sad, but hilarious. In his video, Lee at Lee the Champion 10 says that he placed a Doordash order and specifically asked for his food delivery driver to be discreet because he didn't want his family to know that he had ordered food. I mean, I guess that makes sense. Like, you're trying to sneak in a food delivery and not get the whole spiel of, you know, DoorDash is so expensive. Why don't you just go get it yourself? Why didn't you ask us what we wanted? And you just wanted to get food for yourself. You didn't want to have to talk about it with anybody. And then this guy shows up. Discretion does not seem to be this guy's strong suit. But either way, I'm going to leave his TikTok as well as his profile in the description so you can develop your own opinions on the subject. To his surprise, when the driver arrived, it was in a heavily modified car outfitted with neon lights, including glowing neon rods attached to the rear spoiler. I just want to know why. Like, what's the purpose of that? Why do you do that? Like, do you just want to have all the attention on you or something? What's going on? My family thought he was a DD, drug dealer, and I'm not talking about Doordash. Lee says in the caption of his video, which on Tuesday had over 327,000 views. The things you do for content, huh? Several commenters recognize the driver, a man named Speedy, known for cruising in his LED modified car around Tampa, Florida. Yo, if anybody knows this guy, let me know in the comments. That guy seems hilarious already, but that is too funny. Had no idea Speedy was out here doing DoorDash, one writes. Tampa legend. Oh, we didn't even know he was a DoorDash driver. That's funny. In a YouTube video from 2019, car enthusiast Chevy Boy Stu showcases Speedy's iconic Chevy Cavalier and all its modifications. Among them are LED interior and exterior lights, a bass booster speaker system, witty decals, and a license plate reading UFO unit. I mean, I guess that's a good way to describe it, but man, way to say I'm gonna make a car that I am going to own and I'm going to make it all my own, and that's what it's gonna be, and I'm not gonna have any shame driving this thing. That's amazing. Not even like you should have any shame. It's just amazing. Speedy's car has been spotted all over Tampa and highlighted in several posts on Reddit. In 2019, a photo of a car was posted to the popular forum SE Car Mods, which boasts over 1.3 million users. The things you do for content, huh? But is that really an SE car mod? It's not the best car mod, but is it really an SE one? I mean, really?
Because it's fun! We're having fun! Ah!
In a follow-up video, Lee shares another view of Speedy's car. Bro lit up the whole block, he writes. He did not respond to the Daily Dot's request for comment via TikTok. Many commenters expressed legal and safety concerns about the vehicle. I don't know if safety would actually be a concern, but legal, I mean, some places it's actually against the law to be too loud. They call it noise pollution. But I don't know, it may be, it may not be. Let's find out. Is this even even legal? One commenter asks. I feel like he would blind other drivers. Oh, that's a good point. You know those cars that have really bright, clear white neon headlights that for some reason always hit your rear view mirror and blinds you? Those cars specifically get me mad. Like, I feel like they intentionally designed those headlights to blind people. But doing that to your whole car, I mean, I guess it could be questionably illegal to say the least. Regardless, BD has been driving the car around Tampa for the past 4 years and has achieved local celebrity status for his car modifications, with numerous sightings posted online. That's Speedy, super cool dude, one Redditor writes. He likes showing off the car most of the time. Sounds like a super cool dude, to say the least. Wonder why he hopped on DoorDash. I mean, why not hop on DoorDash? But why would he hop on DoorDash? This is my opinion. It's worth what you pay for it. None of you pay me. There you go. I think most people who drive in the gig economy prefer a sense of anonymity, but for those who prefer the limelight and do choose to operate their car in this way, you could achieve local celebrity status. Will customers appreciate it? In this case, no. Is it gonna stop them? Probably not. Whether or not it's legal is to be determined, but the fact of the matter is, when you get a DoorDash or UberEats or Grubhub order delivered, you don't know who your driver is going to be, you don't know who your customer is going to be, and you don't know how people are going to react to that. So if you're looking for a specific type of service, 9 times out of 10, if you're looking for discretion, you're not going to have this problem until you get this guy. Then all bets are off. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. As always, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.